our science demonstration for Science Buskers 2010, and our group name is JJA, and it follows our names: Joseph,
Joel, and Adrian.
Okay, for today we are performing 4 experiments for you, and I mean YouTube watchers. Okay, and first experiment will be by Joel. Second experiment will be by Adrian. The third experiment will be by me.
Damn!
Okay. And the final experiment will be by all of us.
Me!
Okay. And me. Okay, so now
Hand
first
it over
experiment,
to Joel.
hand it over to Joel.
Go! Hello everybody, my name is Joel. Today I'm going to show you that air occupies space. Yes. Okay. First, for our experiment, we will need a basin of water, a cup of water, and dry tissue paper. Okay, now the dry tissue paper is very important. Okay, let's start. We take the dry tissue paper and we put it into the cup. The perfectly dry cup. And then we invert the thing into the basin. We color the basin so it's clearer for you to see. So now, okay, you may think that the tissue paper is wet, but actually it's perfectly dry. Here it is. Okay, the explanation for this is that the air occupies space inside the cup. When the tissue paper is put into the cup and inverted into the trough, then the air inside the cup cannot exit the cup and water cannot enter. Hence, the air keeps the tissue paper dry as water can't enter. And air blocks it out. Now I would like to pass the time over to Adrian, who is doing our second experiment. Okay. Hi, and you should know me, I'm Adrian. Today I'm going to do something with the bottle and a piece of yellow paper. First, this is all about air. There's a bottle of Coca-Cola and a yellow color piece of small paper made into a ball. It's really small. Magically, the ball comes out on the top of the bottle. Why does this happen? Because air will go around the ball when it is blown in, and it will go in and curve out. And when it curves out, air pushes the ball out of the cup. Hence, the ball flies out. Okay, let's end the time to Joseph for sure on third experiment. Stay tuned.
Hi everyone, you should know me by now. My name is Joseph, and I'll be performing the third experiment for today. Okay, for this experiment, you need 2 identical bottles, preferably small ones, and a $2 note. Okay, so first, you take one of those bottles and place it on the table. Second, place the note on top of the first bottle. Third, place the second bottle over the note. Make sure that in between the note, the 2 bottles are neck to neck. Now, I'm going to do something really fast, and hopefully you can be able to catch it. You catch that? Okay, maybe you didn't, but who cares? Okay, what I just did was that I cut the note through the bottle, and it didn't come out. Okay? The reason why this happens is because of inertia. Inertia keeps things, when things are moving, they try to keep moving. When things are still, they try to keep still. So in this case, when I put the note on, and I pulled it out, the bottles, which were stationary, tried to keep stationary, and they did. so it had enough time for me to slide the note out without the bottle dropping. Okay, time for our final experiment. And this time you'll see all of us in it. Okay, come on everybody.
We're coming! Okay, this is a rather small one.
So, I'll focus the camera for you guys.
He'll be back. Just wait. Yo! Okay, there was a guy named Mustafa. He was fat. Okay, forget it. I'll tell you later. Okay, let's start the experiment.
For this experiment, you'll need a bottle filled with water,
A bottle filled with water, a tray, and blue tack,
and a pen cap.
which is sealed on the top of it as a hole.
Okay, so first, take the blue tack and stick a block on the bottom. Okay, then cover up any holes that there are.
Except for the pen cap.
Yeah.
So next,
Get the bottle
of water.
and drop
the
it
pen
in. Okay, make sure that the head of the pen cap is floating.
You can
Then
close it. Okay, watch. It's closed in. You can see the pen cap. So watch when I press. What happens when I press the button? My ushi finger goes. Maybe my ushi finger is so weak. Let's do it again. See?
What a whooshy pump hole.
Okay, it's a ushi pump.
Okay, now
And the explanation why, as you can see, the cap sinks
into the. Okay, the reason why my finger powerful and no click. Okay, it may need quite a strong pinch. Okay, the reason why this works is because when you put the pen cap into the water, it creates a bubble in the water.
It creates a
Bubble in
bubble
the
in
pen
the
cap,
pen
sorry.
cap.
Yeah.
When you want to
when you
see,
seal
you
it-
can bring the Assalamualaikum.
No, it's okay. No. Then, when you squeeze the bottle, you force water into the air bubble.
That's
And
the
that
air
makes
bubble.
the air bubble shrink and it makes it
Making
sink.
the pen sing.
Okay, now,
This is
when you
a-
release it, it flows back up because the water is flushed out and the bubble increases in size and it flows back up. So, that's pretty much all we have for today.
Okay,
Okay.
but now back to the joke I was about to tell you when I was rudely interrupted.